Good morning, everyone. The Women and Child Development Department organized a great event to mark 10 years of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme, Charkhi Dadri. Women and Child Development Department in district level, a great event organized to celebrate the completion of 10 years of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. The scheme has contributed significantly to improving sex ratio and welfare of girl child in the last decade. Highlights of the program included felicitating Anganwadi workers of villages Morwala, Santokpura, Kasni, who played a vital role in achieving the commendable sex ratio of more than 2000 in their villages. These workers were facilitated with certificates and awards by District Program Officer Geeta Saharan. On this occasion, the District Program Officer said the journey of 10 years of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme reflects the power of collective efforts, the extraordinary work of Anganwadi workers, and their hard work is inspiring. Achieving such a sex ratio not only reflects a culture shift but also reflects the community's committed to gender equality. The program also included culture performance by school children, presentations on the impact of the scheme, and collective resolve to provide education, health, and equal opportunities to girl child. District Legal Services Authority organized a medical camp in Jan Seva Sansthan, old age home and orphanage as per the directions of District Legal Services Authority Judge Chairman Naresh Kumar and Chief Magistrate Sanjeev Kajla. A free medical camp was organized on Wednesday in Jan Seva Sansthan old age home and orphanage in Sri Krishna Go Seva Sadhan located on Delhi Rohtak bypass. In the medical camp, the Secretary of District Legal Services Authority also inspected the construction work going on in Jan Seva Sansthan and present the representative of Jan Seva Sansthan. The team of Dadri General Hospital provided its services in the camp. Psychiatric Dr. Ahmed conducted a health checkup of all the elderly and disabled people living in the institute and distributed necessary medicines to them free of cost. In the camp, treatment of epilepsy, sleeplessness, muttering loud, screaming in sleep, snoring extra along with general disease of the body was done. All the people present were advised to be health conscious in the changing weather and to adopt regular yoga and healthy eating habits in the camp organized under the chairmanship of Jan Seva Sansthan's representative Narendra Kumar. Adhikar Rakshak Jagannath was a special spot. Dr. Rahmed told the elderly and Divyangjans that in the changing weather they should drink more warm water and boil the water. He also advised them to eat your and fresh food like green vegetables, dals, light food, and use warm milk before sleeping. He requested the officials of the organization to keep the premises clean and serve the fasting and illiterate Divyangjan's Jan Seva Sansthan's representative Narendra Kumar and the treasurer expressed their heartfelt gratitude to District Legal Services Authorities Secretary Sanjeev Kajla. Everyone should make collective efforts to keep the young generation away from drugs. Deputy Commissioner held a meeting with officials regarding Narcod Committee Charkhi Dadri. Drug addiction can destroy any whole family. Everyone needs to make collective efforts to keep the youth away from drugs. In such a situation, the responsibility of the NACOD committee increases even more. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said this while presiding over the meeting of the NACOD committee. He said that drug addiction is what not right for anyone in any room and at any level. Our youth get attracted to drugs quickly. In such a situation, we all need to make alternative arrangements to utilize the energy of the youth. Drug addiction can destroy any whole family. We all need to make collective efforts to keep the youth away from drugs. He said that the administrations and police should take joint action to save the young generation from drugs. Also, everyone should play an active role in spreading anti drug activities among the general public. He said that ensure serious monitoring of drug users and drug sellers in rural areas. He directed to organize regular meetings of the committee formed at village level and ward level regarding de-addiction. The deputy commissioner said that the officials of the concerned department should perform their duties with full alertness, responsibility, and dedication at the individual level. Educational institutions will also have to come forward and make restrict rules to save the young generation from the serious disease like drug addiction. Educational institutions can play an important role in creating awareness against the drug addiction. He said that educational institutions should run special programs to create awareness against the drug addiction among the students. We all should take a pledge to eradicate drug addiction from its roots and actively contribute to the development of the country and state. All arrangements should be made in school vehicles as per the rules. Campaign will run to check school vehicles. Safe school vehicle policy and road safety meeting organized Charkhi Dadri. Every arrangement should be made in every vehicle of all the schools of the district as per the rules and laws prescribed by the government. Every school vehicle should have equipment and under arrangements as per the rules. A special campaign will also be run to check the vehicles of schools in the district. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has given these instructions in a meeting held regarding safe school vehicle policy and road safety. He said that the responsibility of the safety of every child studying in the schools of the district is of concerned school along with the district administration. Rules and laws have also been made by the government regarding the safety of children, which every school is required to follow. All the vehicles of all the schools should have arrangements as per the rules. Every vehicle should have all the equipment and under arrangements as well. He said that for safe movement of buses, it is necessary that the bus drivers follow the traffic rules properly and the condition of the bus should also be good. Buses should be checked regularly. Restrictive action will be taken against the concerned school operator for disobeying the safe school vehicle policy. He said that the traffic police should also keep a constant watch on school buses, ensure that all school bus drivers follow the traffic rules completely. He also appealed to the general public that if they see any negligence by any driver anywhere, they should immediately inform the concerned school manager and subdivision administration. The deputy commissioner said that the school management should ensure that only as many children are seated in the buses as there are seats. According to the school vehicle policy, buses should be checked regularly. All parameters should be fulfilled in the buses. He said that these days there is fog in the morning. In this season, the speed of school buses should be kept slow and yellow lights should be installed on the buses. First and kids CCTV cameras, trained drivers, conductors, helpline numbers, at extra should be marked on the buses in the meeting. Additional Deputy Commissioner Vishwajit Chaudhary, SDM Naveen Kumar, CTM Ashish Sangwan, RTA Manoj Kumar were present. Plots will be taken out by various departments on Republic Day. Public welfare government schemes will be seen in the tableaux. On the occasion of Republic Day, a great district level program will be organized at the local grain market in which attractive table locks will be taken out by various government departments displaying their schemes and achievements. Nagradhis Ashish Sangwan said that preparations are being made as the instructions of a Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma regarding the Republic Day program. The theme, preparations, and outline of the program have been discussed in detail. He said that the tableaux to be taken out on the occasion of Republic Day will show the progress of the district and the benefits of government schemes. In this, special focus will be given on schemes like education, health, agriculture, women empowerment, digital India, and environmental protection. The district administrations has called upon all district residents to participate with their families in the Republic Day program. This event is not only a symbol of national pride, but national festivals like Republic Day also instill patriotism and awareness among citizens. Thank you. Namaskar. आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, टेक केयर।